You to buy which is the best bread maker? Bread machines make homemade bread quickly and efficiently. We researched and tested the best bread makers to make your dream a reality. Then, we listed the best 3 bread maker machine. So, let's get started. Enjoy this video. All bread maker machine links are given in the description box. Number 1. KBS 17-in-1 bread maker. This bread maker enjoy fresh healthy bread with your family and friends. The body is made of stainless steel, which is stable and has a longer service life. Superior sleek design is beautiful and stylish. 710W high-power bread machine comes with 360 degrees dual heaters on the bottom and top of the baking pan that promote even baking and browning, accurately sensing the temperature of the cavity and intelligently regulating the baking process. Large LCD display and intuitive digital touch panel control is very easy to operate and check, so it is friendly to new users. The non-stick ceramic coating pan makes the bread evenly baked. 100% food-grade materials, non-stick, so it is easy to clean. Comes with fruit and nut dispenser, releases the ingredients automatically at the optimum time. You don't have to keep an eye on the time. We provide 300 common recipes for you that you can bake fresh, healthy and delicious bread yourself at home at any time. Number 2. EBM 8103B Bread Maker. Making fresh artisan breads right at home is now foolproof and automatic. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker does the kneading, rising and baking for you. Make up to a 2 lb loaf of bread, with 3 different settings for a 1 lb, 1.5 pounds or 2 lb loaf of fresh bread. Free up the oven and save on power. Reduce the heat in your kitchen and less washing of different cooking implements. Manage the nutrients that go in your bread by limiting preservatives and trans fat and even eliminating gluten. Includes 19PROGRAMMED preset menu for a variety of different types of doughs from basic white bread to even pizza dough. 15HOUR delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function allows you to control your baking to the max. Number 3. Patio or 3.3 lb Bread Maker. Designed with a transparent viewing window to allow easy observing of the baking process. A removable and non-stick pan can easily take out and clean up. It's dishwasher safer. Automatic bread maker has 15 menu options, including basic, French, whole wheat, sweet, cake, yogurt, jam, dough, gluten-free, homemade, etc. Digital LCD display. Easy to customize your favorite bread. Upgraded countertop bread maker comes with 2 knead blades, which can stir more effectively than 1 blade model does. Provides thorough dough kneading for a higher rise and a soft taste. Low working noise less than 40 dB. A simple recipes included for reference. You can also try your own recipes.